Hi everyone. It's a very sad day at the brilliant little backyard. The storm just passed through last night in the evening with very strong wind, and that's the damage that's caused in less than 5 minutes. That's the pomegranate tree, 3 years old, and that's the 3 years old fig tree. It's like someone used an axe and cut them from the bottom. Look at this. This is what happened to the pomegranate tree. And it was the first season. That's the new pomegranate for the first season. And this one, while the fig tree, it's the start of the season of the figs. You can see just start ripening. I covered this to protect it from birds, but unfortunately no more. That's gone from the base. As you can see, it's gone completely. Very sad. It's still full of fruit. I'm going to keep it as it is. I'll try to salvage some fruit out of it, then make some cuttings to grow new fig trees out of it. But it's very sad. Things that we spend years to grow, gone in less than 5 minutes. I'll keep you posted.